Let's now discuss the soap making process. In our previous module, we have already decided on the batch size, superfat and percentage. And we have also prepared our soap recipe. We also have the lye value which is used in the recipe of our choice. Now we can start making our soap. First we measure the water or liquid. If using any other liquid than water, you must measure it and freeze it. Second, we measure the lye and add it to the liquid. Remember, never add water to lye or liquid to lye. Mix it and let it dissolve completely. Let it cool down to 45 degrees centigrade or below. Next, we measure the oils according to our recipe and melt it to the same as lye temperature. We ensure both lye solution and oil temperature are more or less the same. 5-degree difference should not be a problem. If you are not able to get the temperature to the same level, you can let them cool for longer time as the heat will settle down to room temperature. Once cooled, add the lye solution to oils and mix well. Blend with a thick blender to a thin or medium consistency. The batter will become thick, and when you can see it leaves a ribbon or a trail when poured on top, this is called trace. Add essential or fragrance oil additives at trace, mix well and pour into the mold. For cold process, let the soap rest in the mold for 24 to 48 hours. If using anything with natural sugars like milk, juices, etc., it will add more heat to the soap. So leaving in the fridge for few hours will bring the temperature down and will not overheat. Then gently unmold and cut into slices. Allow it to cure or rest in open air for minimum of 4 weeks for the lye to neutralize and the moisture to evaporate. After 4 weeks, the soap will become nice, hard and gentle and ready to use. For hot process method, use the stick blender to bring the batter to a thicker trace and cook the soap batter in a stainless steel double boiler for 45 minutes to 1 hour till the soap is cooked to a fine Vaseline consistency. One can also use crock pot. For double boiler, use a stainless steel vessel with a lid. Fill the container with 1/3 of tap water, bring to boil. Place the ring in the center and keep the batter vessel in the water. Ensure the water does not boil and get into a soap batter. Close both the containers and allow to cook in slow or medium flame. It will take minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour for the soap to cook. Scent and additives should be added after it is cooked, else it will lose its property. To test if the soap is done, at the Vaseline stage, take some paste and lather it with some distilled water and check with a pH strip. pH should measure 8 or 9. If it is more than that, let it cook for some more time. Once done, remove from heat, add fragrances, additives, mix well and put in the mold. You can unmold and cut the processed soap in 4 to 5 hours. You may want to leave it open for 2 to 3 days so it will be ready to use. One can choose to make the soap using the hot process or the cold process method depending on your need and requirement. However, the same soap recipe can be used for both hot process and cold process soap.